Let's take a look at the stock light in the cargo area. As you can see, it's an incandescent amber color with a manual switch to turn it off. On the right hand side of the housing and lens, you will take a flat edge screwdriver and pry in between the car's plastic and the lens, pulling the housing away. This will then give you access to the wiring connection in behind, and we're going to look at how that's disconnected next. Pulling the housing away, we can then access the wire connector. It is a typical push lock connector, so with your thumb, push down on the tab, and you could then pull the connector off of the light housing. Now, let's take a look at how to get the light bulb out of the housing. Using your thumb and index finger, gently squeeze the light bulb, while pulling outwards, lightly wiggle, and this will release the bulb from the clip. Here's what our new light bulb looks like. Included on the screen is the Amazon listing. By gently holding the new light bulb, you can now push it into the retaining clip of the cargo light housing. Push firmly until seated. With the new light bulb in place, we can now go ahead and reattach our wiring harness to the housing, ensuring that the wire connector is pushed in and inserted all the way. And here we can see the output of the new light bulb. The housing could be slid back into the plastic trim and pushed securely. Here's an example of the stock light and the amount of illumination it provides. Now a look with the new LED light bulb installed, a remarkable difference and quite the enhancement. Thanks a lot for watching.